Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and guys, this video is going to motivate you to achieve your desired band score. I'm going to show you the result of some of my students who appeared in Ielts and they got their desired band, and some of them they got more than their desired band. If these people can do it, you can do it, and this video is going to give you many positive vibes actually. You will get positive vibes, and you will, when you look at them, you look at their result, you will say, I can also do it, and I will do it. Sometimes, by watching others, what they are doing, you become fully determined that I will also do it. Okay? So this is the purpose of making this video. This student of mine from India, he appeared in Ielts. His name is Hartej Singh. He got listening 8.5. Guys, it is possible. If you watch my videos, he is a regular watcher of my video. 8.5 listening, reading 8.5. Jhoot lagda twanu. I don't do it. My mobile is full of TRF, right? With high bands and all that. I'm going to select some of them, and I can't even tell you all the TRFs as well, right? So, I don't need to lie actually. Writing 6.5, speaking 7 band, and overall 7.5. I truly congratulate you, Hartej Singh. All the best. Canadian Airline is waiting for you. Okay? Well, after this other student of mine, he appeared in Ielts, and actually his name is Jaya Kumar. Jaya Kumar, congratulations from Asad Yaqub. Listening 7 band, reading 7.5. Kithe thwada panj nahi aanda, ha? Come on. Once you understand the things, and these guys watched my videos. They just watched my videos. This is what we call resourcefulness. So listening 7, reading 7.5, writing 6.5, speaking 7.5, and this was academic Ielts. Well, I really congratulate you, Jaya Kumar. And I wish you all the best. May you get everything in your life. Okay, let's go on. I got this other result from one of the students. Okay. Alright, I got this result from one of my students from Pakistan. His name is Nasser Jamal. Alright, Nasser Jamal appeared in Ielts, and that was academic Ielts 14th October, and his result is listening 7.5, reading 7, writing 6, and speaking 6.5. He achieved this good band from AEO, Australian Education Office. It's the subsidiary of IDP, and I really congratulate you, Nasser Jamal, on this great success. Let's go on, guys. The story is not finished. Then I got another result. A student of mine from India. His name is family name Parekh, and Dhruv Chirag. He appeared in academic Ielts, and look at his result. Listening 6.5 band, reading 6.5, writing 6, and speaking 6, overall 6.5. And he is ready to reach his destination. Okay? Alright, let's go on. Then I got this message from Bangladesh. See that? This student of mine appeared in Ielts, academic Ielts, Bangladesh, September 2021. And the result is listening 7.5, reading 6.5. Look at these TRFs. This will give you motivation. This will give you positive vibes. These TRFs will give you positivity to achieve that. And one day, I will make a video on your result also. I promise. I'll make a video on your result and your good result. Yes, if these guys can do it, you can do it. Yeah. And नहीं कि थोड़ी pushal लगी, उन्हां दी pushal नहीं है तो उन्हां दा band आ गया. It's not like that, okay? Reading 6.5, writing 6, and speaking 6.5 with an overall 6.5 band. All right, congratulations. And the name of the student is Nahian. Nahian, congratulations. Okay, let's go on. Then I got this message from Indian Punjab. Sat Shri Akal. Karandeep Singh, Sat Shri Akal. Hunte bacha Canada wala ho gaya, हाँ. Listening 8 band, you know. Reading 7 band, writing 7, speaking 6, and overall band score 7. Right? And this gentleman, Karandeep Singh, is now getting ready to go to Canada. You can see him there. Why not? Exactly. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. I've got a list of messages, okay? Exactly. Right. Now, let's just go on. Okay, guys, after that, I got this result. This is one of my students. His name is Midhin Clement. Midhin Clement appeared in Ielts and he got listening 6.5, reading 6.5, writing 6.5, speaking 7, and overall band score 6.5. And he is ready to travel to his destination country. And I've got a long list. Okay, then there is this message from Pakistan. This student of mine got 8 band in listening, 6 band in reading, 6 band in writing, and 6.5 band in speaking. Overall band score 6.5, and he is ready to travel to his destination country as well. Then I got this message from Indian Punjab. Sukhdeep Singh got 7.5 listening, 6.5 reading, 6.5 speaking, and 6 writing. Overall 6.5. And now he's going to go to his favorite country. And the list goes on. Now listen, guys. These gentlemen were not those who had a lot of resources, but these gentlemen were resourceful. 2 things. One is resources. One is resourcefulness. If there is resourcefulness inside you, then most definitely you can use the resources which are available. Sometimes these resources are few, sometimes very scarce resources, but if you are resourceful and you have resourcefulness inside you, you can use these limited resources and you can do magic in your life. So I tell you, don't blame the things, don't blame test centers, don't blame your teachers. Take your own responsibility, be your own IELTS teacher, teach yourselves IELTS, watch my videos, and then one day Asad Yaqub will be making a video, and that video is going to be your video. I will show your picture, I will call your name, and I'll be telling the band score like listening 8, reading 7.5, speaking 7, writing 6.5, something like that, okay? Or even 8777. Right? So just take your own responsibility, have some resourcefulness inside you, and you will be able to achieve whatever you desire. You will become a magnet, IELTS band catching magnet, and you will catch any band score of your requirement and even more than your desired band. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. This is my IELTS masterclass from where I'm making this video for you. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.